Welcome back to Stuff About Tutorial. Today we are talking about how to hide YouTube channel. Why would you want to know how to hide YouTube channel? Well, maybe it is your first time using YouTube and not sure how to hide YouTube channel. So today I'm going to show you how to hide YouTube channel. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. Hiding YouTube channel is quite simple and the process is easy to do. First of all, open any browser. Now write youtube.com in search bar. Click on logo at the top right corner. Now here at the bottom, you are seeing settings. Click on it. Now click on advanced settings. From here, you can see delete channel. Click on delete channel. Now you are seeing two options. Click on I want to hide my channel. Read terms and then check mark the boxes. Then click on hide my channel and confirm it. There you go. If you wanted to know how to hide YouTube channel, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way, to leave a comment below. Be sure to subscribe for more videos.